Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title below, I will be doing yet another unboxing video, and this time it will be NCT 2020's Resonance Part 1. So I have the past version here with me as well as the future version, and as you guys can see, the photo book is pretty thick. So I will be going through the photo book with all of you, and before I start, I just want to clarify that I have unboxed both of these albums yesterday as soon as they arrived, but I wasn't in a good position to film like a real-time unboxing video because I was just really tired and I wasn't in the mood to film and talk in front of a camera. So I decided to unbox them with my friends. And yes, I already know whose photo card and yearbook photo card I got, so I will show them to you guys later. And without further ado, let's get started. First off, I will start with the past version first, and then we will move on to the future version. So I'll put the future version at the side so that we can get to it later. Alright, so I will show you the photo book as well as the inclusions that comes with this album. Here is the album from the front, Resonance Part 1. And then from the side, you have the members' names. And then at the back, you have the track list. Do comment down below which song is your favorite from the album. Mine would be Make a Wish, Misfit, and Deja Vu. Faded in My Last Song is actually really good as well. Alright, let's go through the photo book. So when you open this up, there should be a lyrics pamphlet or lyrics poster inside here. They did this the same as Empathy back then. Here are all of the lyrics of the songs in the album. Let me bring this down for a bit, because down here you will get a code for you to vote at the NCT 2020 website, and I haven't used it yet. So here is the CD, very pretty. And then here's the photo book. Alright, let me bring this back to the side. I will go through this photo book quite fast because we have a lot of members to go through. We have Win-Win, Taeyong, 10, he looks amazing. Mark, Jaemin, Jeno, Lucas, wow, Jaehyun, Johnny, Hyuk, Jisung, Chunla, Kun, Yang, Yuta, Toyoung, Henry, Xiaojun, Taeil, Jongwoo, Songchan, Renjun, Shotaro. Oh my gosh, he looks amazing. I love Shotaro so much. And yeah, that is basically it, and we have all of the members together. Mark, oh my gosh, That is a pretty photo. Alright, I will go through this briefly because I'm sure you have seen the photo book already. Oh, alright, so here are my inclusions. So for my photo card, I got Yang Yang's photo card. And then for my yearbook photo card, I got Jaehyun. I literally screamed my lungs out when I saw that I got Jaehyun. That's like a jackpot for me. Alright. And then here's the pamphlet, which we don't need. And then we have the poster. Very long poster. Alright, so there's that. Let's move on with the photo book. He looks so good. Everyone looks amazing this comeback, honestly. I love this photo of Hyuk so much. If I'm not mistaken, this was from his personal, his individual teaser. I love that photo so much. Now that we are entering November, I'm actually quite curious when they will release the information about part 2. And now I have to save up for the albums as well. So stay tuned for more unboxing from me. Oh no, I think the spine is cracking because the photo book is so thick. Oh my gosh, can you hear that? Like, oh my gosh. Can you hear that? It's like, Jongwoo looks so good. Oh, alright, so we are done. No. I almost revealed the code. Let's put this back in. Okay. Now let's move on to the future version. For the concept, I would say that I would prefer this version more than the past. I think the photos in here are prettier, but it's basically the same thing. Okay, so here is the front. Here's the spine. So The spines for both of these albums are different. It pissed me off because why can't SM just do it consistently? Ugh, I'm so mad. Right, at the back it's just the same thing, the track list. Okay, let's open this up. The same thing, you'll have the lyrics poster. And then the CD. The color schemes in here are also great. I love the warm tone. Okay, so here are my inclusions. I got Chunla for my photo card. And for my yearbook, I got Taeyong. Which I am super grateful to get. And the pamphlet and the poster. Okay, moving on. But I guess in terms of costumes and outfit, I prefer the past version. But for the concept in general, this one is better. Because from the previous album, the past version, they all mostly wear black and it looks a bit classy. But this one, I guess it does suit the future concept. I'm really happy to see that there's a bit of blue, you know, like at least not everything is in the same color. So here we have Henry in dark blue, and then we have some browns. Even Mark is wearing dark blue. Oh, my arms hurt so bad. But it's okay, we're almost there. Oh no, can you hear the spine? The spine is cracking so bad. SM should really fix their production of photo books, honestly. Alright, we are done with this one as well. Let's put everything back in. Okay. Alright, that is basically it for the unboxing as well as the flip through of NCT 2020's Resonance Part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video despite not seeing my face. Hence, there was a lot of just flip through of the photo book. I know it's quite boring, but I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you want more content from me. And don't forget to subscribe as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.